I want to make an interesting, well, I think it's interesting, suggestion, and that is to turn your breaks into cleaning breaks.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
You remember those breaks where you're supposed to focus intensely, like the Pomodoro technique? After intense focus, you need to refresh your mind, like a little bit of a reboot. And the problem is that a lot of people just do the same thing. They hang out in front of a computer, they don't go on Facebook, and it doesn't really refresh your mind because you're still in front of a computer, still staring at the screen. That's why a cleaning break has a few benefits. So if you, for those 5 minutes, it can be just 5 minutes a day, but for the 5 minutes that's your break, and hopefully you like this, and hopefully you do it for more than just 5 minutes. But if you clean, guess what happens? It's physical activity. Guess what that does? Endorphin release. You'll feel better. You'll be more excited about your work. You'll be happier doing your work. It ensures also that you're not sitting the whole time during your breaks, because I know you're probably sitting during your actual work. And it actually organizes your work environment without distracting you from your work. So when you are working, you can focus only on the work, which is going to produce the best possible results. And if you do this actually and make it a part of your workday, it might free up as much as 1 to 2 hours per week cleaning, or save money if you're hiring a cleaning person. And it just will keep you more organized by taking absolutely no time away from you, because you're already using that for breaks, and in fact giving you more physical activity, more of a mind refresher, and can even save you time from cleaning that you could use on your weekends for something much better, or having to not hire a cleaning person if you don't do your own cleaning.